Hi, it's Dr. David Stoker, board-certified plastic surgeon in Los Angeles with one of our beautiful patients who's now 1 month post-op from fractional carbon dioxide laser resurfacing. It made an enormous difference for her and she's healing really well. If we look back to her face and neck lift procedure here with the delicate incisions that she's got, we see that the earlobe is perfectly recreated and very natural in appearance. The incisions are not detectable at all. She's got a little tiny red spot here from her dog that scratched her. It had something to do with the surgery. If you call your attention to the mouth and the dramatic improvement that she's had in the wrinkles in that area. We went very deep around the mouth, and you're able to do that with a fractional carbon dioxide laser. The other skin on the face is more delicate, but if you look at the eyes, for instance, and the lower eyelids in particular, again, we achieved an enormous improvement.